Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can use Bing AI Image Generator, so make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Bing AI Image Generator. Now open the website and it will prompt you to log in. After logging in, you will be redirected to this homepage of your account. Now simply enter the target prompt in the bar present at the top and click on Create to start creating digital art. If you like one or more of the generated images, simply open the image and click on this download icon at the bottom. You can see that the image has been downloaded successfully. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.